Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log in into your Instagram. If you are having trouble with logging in into your Instagram, don't worry, this issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, I'll be walking you through some super easy steps to fix it. Let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. Then you can enter your username in or mobile number, and if you remember your username but you don't remember your password, then just click on forgot password. Then enter your email or username. Now, to confirm your account, Instagram will send you a code through SMS. Enter that code to confirm your account. Now, you'll have to enter your code and confirm your account, and Instagram will log you in. Now, if you have already saved your password and saved your login info on Instagram, then you can just click on your account of Instagram and it will log you directly in. And this is how you guys can log in into your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you guys on doing that. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you all so much for watching.